Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy coins on TikTok. So basically TikTok coin allows you to donate coins or donate any kind of emojis to your creator. So by buying the TikTok coin, you guys can buy the stuff which TikTok allows you, like rose, and then there's other things like gold as well and other stuff. And all these things you can donate to the creator which you like the most. It's called gifts. All right, so by buying TikTok coin, you can buy gifts of TikTok which you can give to any live streamer you want. So people live stream in TikTok and they receive roses and other gifts, right? Well, that's basically through coins. You need coins and then you can buy the gift and you can send the creator which you love that gifts. All right, so that's what buying a coin in TikTok enables you to do. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you click on profile at the bottom of the screen on your TikTok. Once you're on your profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of the screen, and then you want to go on setting and privacy. Now once you're in setting and privacy, you can see balance over here, which is right under security and login and above QR code. You can click on balance and it's going to show you how much money you have on your TikTok. So I have 0. So in order to buy more, I can click on recharge over here. Once I click on recharge, it's going to take me to the buying page. So once I'm over here, I can buy whichever amount of coins I want. So if I want 249 one, I can choose that. If I want a 65 one, I can choose that. So let's say I want the 65 one. So once I click on US 0.99, it's going to ask me for my payment method. So if I'm using Apple, I can use my Apple Pay to pay for it. If you're using Android, you can use your Google Pay for it, or you can even use your credit or debit card in order to buy these coins and donate to your favorite creators. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy coins in TikTok. You have to come to this page and you want to choose how much amount you want to use, and it's gonna be bought if you pay for it. If you're not gonna pay for it, you're not gonna receive it. All right, so that's basically how you guys can buy coins in TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.